saving.
Oh my gosh. Colby. No. Okay, this is another thing. His hair defies gravity when
My hair defies gravity. Yeah.
It does.
Are you sending this to anybody?
Probably not. Don't.
Yes.
You don't need to be silly though.
Oh!
it's like short looking.
Okay, Colby, you're just weird.
Okay.
You can make a house out of that.
I'm a princess.
It's like
Kyle's
some kind
putting
of
my crown on.
primitive fort. You could have little action figures, and they could be Indians.
There you go.
I have a playset on my head.
Yes, you do. You have Lincoln Logs in your head.
Now for the best part of this entire thing.
Oh, and there they go.
Oh my gosh, that's down my back and it burns. Ah, look.
Toothpick down the back. Could have a toothpick mohawk.
Oh my gosh, Kyle.
All right, done.